Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys all doing? So yeah, I know it's been a long time, but I'm back and better. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a very lovely video, and that's how you can edit using your phone. Now I know I did a video a while back. I'm teaching you guys how you can film using your phone. This video is how you can edit using your phone. Now the app we are going to be using is Kinemaster, and it's a very easy app for you to just use to edit your videos. It's easy to go around with. It has so many features that you guys can get the best quality video that you want. So yeah, if you like this video, please keep on watching. So this is the Kinemaster app, and this is the first thing you're going to be seeing when you open this app. First thing you do is to select the aspect ratio of the project, which is 16:9. So this is what our timeline looks like. Then you click on the media. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to be using any random video on my phone. I'm going to be using this video. Now there are different features which we can play around with for this video. Now the first thing that you should know when you want to try to edit your video is to trim and split. So you click on the timeline here and you click on the trim and split. The one I usually use most of the time is split and insert freeze frame. So I click on that, and this is what happens. So it divides the clips into two. If you go back and click on this plus button here, it takes you to transition. So there are different transitions that you can use. Now the function of a transition is for you to ease into the first clip of the video into the second clip. So there are different transitions that you can use here. You have the classic transitions, the 3D transitions, you have the bouncy box, the cracked glass, checker flip, 3D flip, the strips, you have the fun transitions, circle wipe. You have different transitions that you can use, but for this video I'm going to be using the 3D transitions and the cracked glass. Now let's watch how that plays out. Listen to you if you have. I hope you guys saw that. That's very nice. Now let's go back and click on our timeline again and look at the other features that this app provides us with. So we have the pan and the zoom, we have the mixer, we have the filter. If you go into the filter, it gives you different filters that you can use. You have the mono, you have different ones here. You have vivid, cold, warm, basic. But for this video I'm not going to be using any filter. Then you could also adjust the speed, you could also reverse your videos, rotate, clip graphics, EQ. Now the EQ is about the sound of the video. You could also adjust, extract the audio, so if you don't want any audio in your video, volume, envelope, and all of that. Now the next thing here, we are going to be choosing the layer button, and the first option there is media. So here you can attach any form of videos or pictures to this particular video. So in a case where you're explaining something to your viewers, you could always attach a picture or a video for them to understand better. So this is media, and this is a video I just attached. I can move it around to wherever it suits me. I'm just going to leave it here. And that's it. So that's the video. So let's watch how this plays out. Listen to some calming songs on YouTube or listen to a podcast. That's the video that I just attached. So let's go back to layer, and then we have effects. So if you need to add like a Gaussian blur or a mosaic, if you need to blur anything with your background, you could always use that effect. Then the next one is text. So you could add any form of text that you want, and you could always tweak it to your satisfaction, right? So I'm just going to be writing my name. This is the text here. You can change the font. You can change the color. You can make it animated. You can outline it, change the background. You can do a lot of stuff with it to suit the purpose of your video. Also, there are stickers that you can also use here. So you have different stickers that are available to you here. You also have more options here. Some are paid for, some are free. And you could also make use of the handwriting icon also. Then the next thing that you should know is the audio. So if you need to attach music to your video, you have so many music options here. These songs are the ones I have on my phone. There are also some music options that you can use here. So there are different options that are available to you here that you can use. Then also, if you want to do a voiceover to a video that you've pre-recorded, you could always click on the recording button, click on start, and then record your voiceover. I really like this app because it's very similar to the editing software I have on my laptop. It can basically do everything I can do using my laptop. So yeah, that's all about it, guys. I think we've gone through all the various features this app gives us. I hope you guys will try using this app. It's very easy to use, very easy to learn. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video too. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it in the comment section. Tell me what you liked about this video, and if you want me to do more of these videos, please also leave that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.